Welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm having a blast playing this magnificent Bechstein Semi-Concert Grand Piano, just rebuilt in Europe by the grandson of the head of the piano restoration facility in the Hamburg Steinway factory. It's absolutely a gem of a piano. I'm going to tell you more about it, but let's start off with something rather on the simple side, a good classical sonatina of Kuhlau, the Opus 55, number 1. I'll play the first movement for you. The action is absolutely smooth as silk. Everything is dialed in with German parts made by Abel, the hammers, and everything, no compromise in the restoration of this piano. And of course, Bechstein is one of the world's finest pianos. A piano like this new is close to $250,000. And this piano has got the full 88 keys and the 3 pedals, a true sostenuto pedal. So it's absolutely a modern piano in every respect. The action is a modern action. It's not an older style action. That's why everything feels great. The look of it, the finish, everything about it. Let's have some lyrical music. Listen to the expressiveness that's possible when you have a piano where everything is dialed in, and the control that you can get on an instrument like this is really not to be believed. Listen to the beginning of the second movement of Beethoven's Opus 10, number 1, C minor sonata. Second movement's in A flat major. right, I know you've heard now the clarity of the classical period and the lyricism of Beethoven. Now let's have a little bit of Liszt, just a little intersection of his B minor sonata so you can hear the low bass and the fortissimo, how this piano opens up. I can tell you this, I'm going to enjoy playing this piano while it's here at livingpianos.com, your online piano store with free delivery anywhere in the continental US. International delivery is available. Love to know your opinion on this piano. Leave them in the comments here at livingpianos.com and YouTube. And thanks again for joining me. I'm Robert Estrin.